Ever pondered why a cyber fortress might crumble due to a physical breach? Today, we delve into the world of cybersecurity, but with a twist. We're exploring the often overlooked realm of physical security and its crucial role in safeguarding our digital domains. Picture this: a fortress of ones and zeros, impenetrable to digital threats, but vulnerable to an old-fashioned lockpick. Intriguing, isn't it? We'll even share a fascinating case study that'll surely pique your interest. Stay tuned to find out how physical security can be the Achilles heel of cybersecurity. Physical security, often an overlooked aspect, is a fundamental pillar of comprehensive cybersecurity. It's all about protecting physical assets, be it your computer, your server room, or even your smartphone. While we often focus on the digital realm, safeguarding the physical devices that store and process our data is equally crucial. Physical security aims to prevent unauthorized access, theft, or damage to these assets. Think about it. What happens if someone steals your laptop? They have direct access to your data, your network, and potentially your entire digital existence. Or consider a scenario where someone gains access to your server room. The consequences can be catastrophic, from data theft to complete system shutdown. This is where physical security comes into play, forming an essential layer in the multi-tiered approach to cybersecurity. It's all about creating a robust defense, a shield that protects your digital world from the tangible threats of the physical one. Remember, a chain is only as strong as its weakest link. Picture this: a high-ranking executive's laptop goes missing. Sounds like a simple theft case, right? But what if it's not? Let's delve into a real-life incident that unfolded not too long ago. An executive at a major corporation had his laptop stolen from his car. Seems like a straightforward case of theft, but it's far more complex than that. You see, this wasn't just any laptop. It was a treasure trove of sensitive corporate information, confidential client data, and proprietary software. Now you might be thinking, surely there were security measures in place? Well, yes, but they were all digital. Firewalls, encryption, two-factor authentication, all top-notch, but they didn't account for one thing: physical security. The laptop was stolen, and with it, the keys to the corporate kingdom. The aftermath was catastrophic. The stolen laptop led to a significant data breach. Confidential client information was exposed. Proprietary software was compromised. The company's reputation took a severe hit. The financial implications were staggering, running into millions. But the most significant impact was the trust deficit it created. Trust, as we all know, is the bedrock of any business relationship. The breach eroded this trust, leading to lost business and a long uphill battle to regain client confidence. So, how could this have been prevented? The answer lies in a comprehensive approach to security that includes physical measures. Measures like secure storage for devices, surveillance systems, and protocols for handling and transporting sensitive equipment. This case serves as a powerful reminder that cybersecurity isn't just about securing digital assets. Physical security is equally important. After all, what good is a state-of-the-art digital security system if someone can simply walk away with your device? In the end, it was a single stolen laptop that led to a massive cyber breach. The lack of physical security was the weak link that brought down an entire fortress. Remember, in the world of cybersecurity, it's often the simplest oversights that lead to the most significant breaches. The stolen laptop case is not an isolated incident, it's a wake-up call for us all. It's a stark reminder that cybersecurity is not just about firewalls and encryption, it's also about the physical safeguarding of our devices. So, what can we learn from this case? First and foremost, it's clear that physical security is an integral part of cybersecurity. While we often focus on the digital threats, we must never overlook the tangible aspects. It's not enough to have the most advanced software protection if your hardware can be easily stolen or tampered with. The second lesson is that physical security measures need to be robust and comprehensive. It's not just about locking doors or securing data centers. We need to think about the entire life cycle of our devices, from procurement to disposal. For example, when disposing of old devices, we must ensure that all sensitive data is completely wiped off. Thirdly, we need to cultivate a culture of security awareness. This means educating everyone in your organization about the importance of physical security. It's not just the IT department's responsibility, it's everyone's. Even the smallest actions, like not leaving your laptop unattended, can make a big difference. So, how can we improve our physical security? Well, it starts with a comprehensive security policy that covers not only digital threats but also physical ones. Regular risk assessments can help identify potential vulnerabilities. And don't forget about security training. It's crucial for everyone to understand the importance of physical security and how they can contribute to it. To sum up, physical security is a critical component of cybersecurity. It's about more than just securing our devices. It's about protecting our data, our privacy, and ultimately, our very way of life. Remember, in the world of cybersecurity, a chain is only as strong as its weakest link. And if that link is physical security, then it's time we strengthened it. Physical security isn't just about locks and keys, it's about protecting the very heart of your cyber defenses. The cyber world and the physical world are not separate entities. They are intertwined, and a breach in one can lead to a breach in the other. As we've journeyed through this discussion, we've dissected the integral role physical security plays in the broader spectrum of cybersecurity. While it's easy to be captivated by the world of codes and digital firewalls, we cannot afford to overlook the concrete, tangible security measures that protect our physical assets. In our case study, we saw how a simple act of stealing a laptop led to significant data breaches. It emphasized the potential consequences of ignoring physical security. A stolen laptop, a misplaced USB drive, or an unattended workstation can become the gateway for cybercriminals to exploit. The lessons learned from our case study are clear and critical. Never underestimate the power of locks, secure storage, and vigilant surveillance. Implementing robust physical security measures is not an option, it's a necessity. It's about creating a holistic defense strategy that shields our digital assets from all angles. Remember, cybersecurity isn't just about protecting against virtual threats. It's about maintaining the integrity of our physical devices, our hardware. It's about ensuring that the door to our precious data is not just locked, but bolted and guarded. As we wrap up, let's carry forward this understanding. The physical world is the first line of defense in the digital world. Physical security is cybersecurity. Overlook it at your own peril.